Are Volkswagen wheel spacers safe on your OEM wheels? Quality Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Volkswagen Golf hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These Volkswagen wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle's weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Being a high-end Volkswagen Golf wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers is the lightweight plus design. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Also, BONOSS lightweight plus Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. So, the high-quality Volkswagen Golf wheel spacers are safe as long as we install them correctly.